Oh, it is absolutely vital that your engine oil pressure be constantly monitored for potentially dangerous conditions. When pressure drops below a threshold set by automaker, the engine oil light on the car's dashboard illuminates, warning you that driving could be dangerous. If your oil pressure sensor isn't working properly, it cannot do its job and must be replaced. When I turn on the ignition, the warning lights on the dashboard should light up, but the oil pressure light does not come on. I repeat once again that I am now looking at the dashboard with the ignition on and the engine not running. To be sure that the oil pressure sensor is damaged, I will disconnect the wire from it and connect it to the engine body and see if its oil pressure warning light is on. I turned on the ignition and I see that the oil pressure warning light is on. This suggests that the oil pressure sensor is faulty. I need replacing the defective oil pressure sensor. I carefully turn out the old sensor. Before screwing in the new oil sensor, I need to make sure that the new sensor is exactly the same as the old sensor that I removed. It is very thin taped inch thread. It seems to me that these two sensors are exactly the same. And now I can screw in this new oil pressure sensor where it should be. The oil pressure sensor is good and works well. Thanks for watching.